Unlock the power of your Uber Plus card with the ultimate convenience of Apple Pay for effortless, everyday spending. Ready to ditch your physical card and embrace seamless payments? First, grab your iPhone and open the Wallet app. Once you're in the Wallet app, look for the plus icon. Usually in the top right corner, tap that to begin adding your Uber Plus card. On the next screen, you'll see a few options since we're adding a new card. Select debit or credit card. Now, the easiest way to add your card is by holding your physical Uber Plus card up to your iPhone camera. The app will automatically read your card details. If the camera doesn't quite get it, or you prefer manual entry, you can also type in your card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code from the back of your Uber Plus card. After entering your details, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions. Give them a quick read and tap Agree to proceed. Next, your Uber Plus card will be verified by Uber. This is a quick process to ensure everything is set up correctly. And voila! Your Uber Plus card is now added to your Apple Pay. You'll see it appear right here in your wallet. Now, when you're at your favorite coffee shop, grocery store, or even shopping online, just hold your unlocked iPhone or Apple Watch near the contactless reader. Your Uber Plus card will be ready to go. This makes paying faster, more secure, and you can still earn those valuable Uber Plus card rewards on every single purchase. Start enjoying the convenience of paying with your Uber Plus card and Apple Pay today.